Naitwa Mama Joro. Good morning.
Good morning, Mama Joro. Good to see you.
Nimewamii.
Oh, hata sisi tumekumiss. Wewe. You.
You good.
Stop.
Posh girl.
Tunafuga mwaka ya shaja mwaka hii wiki.
Aki.
Tunasikia kuria.
Aki, mimi nasikia kufanya kitu crazy.
Unasikia kutwaka.
Kufunga mwaka.
Good to see you. You're looking very nice.
Oh, thank you. So just smart ya Nakuru.
Oh, I think ametoa zile za kufunga mwaka.
Zile za kufunga mwaka.
Hizi hapo ametupea.
She's doing a very good job.
Is he or she?
It's a she.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Winnie.
Oh.
Yeah, she's called Winnie.
Oh, good to hear.
Yeah.
Karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
My sister, how are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are ya?
I saw you with guos and all of our weekend.
Yeah, now let me tell you guys.
Yes.
I went to Vasha.
Oh.
Wow.
For the first time I went to the lake.
Wow, Naivasha.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
The Naivasha lake.
Yes.
I saw hippos. Big ones. I was shown where water. They're always big. They are no small ones.
And you know they're also short.
Hey, relax. Relax, I give you story.
And party here.
And you know when they eat those amarura fruits, they get high.
You guys want my story or you don't want?
We can interject in your story.
Oh, don't. Let me give you the story how I saw. What I saw. Yeah. Yeah, I saw hippos.
Yeah.
And then I was shown.
Did you see their party here?
I did not see that.
And short.
Focus. Focus on the story. And then they are outside. There are people for Nduthi. Hey, they say when you go back, say hi to T-Master. Say hi to Mokorosi. They were like, oh my gosh.
Yes.
Yeah, they said many greetings.
Oh, we received them.
Yeah.
Naivasha rams us like strawberry.
Oh, yeah,
And us
wonderful.
we ram them like grapes.
Yes.
And blackcurrant. Karibu.
Yeah, thank you. Good to see you
Now
guys.
you're ready for the week.
Very ready.
But did you see the hippos, their hate?
We have removed from there. They took me the house.
So you are suffering from Karang.
Karibuni
I have
sana.
boat lag.
Oh, you have boat lag.
Yeah.
You, Mr. How have you been, Mr. DJ?
My weekend was super fine. I thank the Lord.
Yes.
Can I say you're looking very beautiful this morning? Who has dressed you?
It is me.
Of course. Who is the sponsor?
Still the suitcases from Germany.
Up to December.
And even Hannah Juma brought me others.
No, we talk serious.
Yes, by the way, I'm serious.
You are Germany when?
Don't know 2 or 3 months ago.
And still you are putting...
But you know me, I buy and I give.
Oh.
And I am also gifted.
Yes, but I'm talking of
Wait
the bag.
for January.
Yeah?
My birthday month.
Eh.
Every day.
Eh.
No.
Actually, your birthday month, people are always here.
Thank.
And my birthday months, they are always there.
Kenya gutire na winter. For me, every day is a summer. Oronyora na igoti.
Never.
Ona keifes no nyonire na igoti.
Wale na isi cia mang'ere.
Nikunywa hibiscus, kure health,
Yes.
so I no longer feel cold.
Ya mwere ukemtira rugari waguo. Wow, good to see you. Welcome. How was your weekend?
Stop.
Oh, you have Storo.
I was indoors.
Oh, you spent indoors?
I was super indoors. No ndirakire guko na ndirona shai wa international
tea.
Weekends I switched to Instagram.
Yeah,
I was on my AG.
Yeah. They don't do local.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Tobe toresha pasi na mikorogo.
Yes.
Ya kuhiga mwaka uyu na tafarira ya gucanjamuka this year is gonna end on Friday. Oh my. No, kuhoya na gucokere ngai.
Amen.
Nini ndirenda warahoka tuchapo
twega
Hawaii.